Now students, I am starting SAQ part. Sum number 11. From 11 I am starting. This is the SAQ part. It is given 27 to the power x equals to 81 to the power y. You have to calculate x is to y. Clear? We have to calculate x is to y. So what is given? From here we have to start. 27 means we can write in terms of 3 cube. And right hand side 81 means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 20. 3 to the power 4 is coming. Okay. Now open the bracket. Again base same. You will write, okay, in all the sums base is same. Then we can equate the power. 3x equals to 4y. So what to calculate? X is to y. X is to y means x by y. So from here, what is your x by y? That is 4 by 3. Now most of you do the mistakes. Here you write x by y equals to 3 by 4. Okay, but don't do that. That is wrong. X by y is coming here and 3 is going there. So 4 by 3. This is the answer. Clear? Next one. It is given 5 to the power 5 plus 0.01 whole square minus 5 to the power 5 minus 0.01 whole square equals to 5 to the power x. It is given. Clear? You have to calculate the value of x. Now directly I will write down the formula. What is that? Suppose this is A and this is B. Clear? So it is in the form of A plus B and it is in the form of A minus B. You know there is one formula, A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square equals to 4AB. Okay. If you have forgotten, you will write down in your copy. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square equals to 4AB. So here we will apply this. Our A means 5 to the power 5 and B means 0.01. So from here A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square equals to, we have got 4AB. Clear? And right hand side 5 to the power x, or 4. Now this, remove the decimal, it is coming 100 equals to 5 to the power x. Next, we can cancel this 25 or 5 to the power 5 into 1 by 25 means we can write 5 square. Clear? And right hand side 5 to the power x. Or we know sorry we know in case of division power will be subtracted. So here we can write 5 minus 2. Clear? This equal to 5 to the power x. Or five minus 2 means 3. Again base same. So we can write power x equals to 3. This is the value of x. Clear? See? X equals to 3. Now next. Number 3. 3 into 27 to the power x equals to 9 to the power x plus 4. Then calculate the value of x. Clear? Now here 27 and 9 are multiples of 3. So in terms of 3 we write 27 means 3 cube and 9 means 3 square. Now open the bracket. Here power is 1. We will not write down 1. Okay. Now this is 3x and right hand side 2x plus 2 fours are 8. Now again multiplication. So power will be added. Now 1 plus 3x equals to 3 to the power 2x plus 8. Clear? Again base same. So we can equate the power. We can write this equal to 2x plus 8. Now x will come this side. 3x minus 2x means x and 8 minus 1 means 7. This is the value of x. Clear? Then next one. Find the value of cube root. Cube root of 1 by 64 to the power half. Clear? Now 64 we can write in terms of 4. If we will do 4 fours are 16 and 16 fours are 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. Okay. So first I am writing this in this form. 3 1 by 4 cube. Clear? To the power half. Then cube root of this one 1 by 4 to the power 3 by 2. Clear? 3 by 2. Then next I will remove the square root, cube root. So it is becoming and this I will take in numerator. So power is positive. When it will go in numerator, it will become negative. So it will be minus 3 by 2 and I am removing the cube root. So power is becoming 1 by 3. Clear? Now 4 to the power minus 1 by 2. 4 means 2 square. 2 square into minus 1 by 2. 2 you cancel. So 2 to the power minus 1. That means half. Your answer is half. Clear? Now see the steps. Okay. Now next one. Which one is greater? Between these. This is written in this form and another one is written in this form. Clear? What is the difference between these two? This is the power of 3 and here 3 is multiplied by 3. This is the difference. This is the power and this is the multiplication of 3 and 3 into 3. So this equal to 3 to the power 27. Clear? And this is coming 3 to the power 9. Now obviously as 27 greater than 9. Clear? So this one will be greater than this. This is the answer. Clear? This is the difference. This is the power and this is multiplied. 3 is multiplied by 3. Now in next video you will see I have calculated, I have done some problems from reference books. Okay, that also you will practice for exam.